Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this tunnel text effect on Adobe Illustrator. So we're just going to create a square here, and then we are going to copy and paste it in place, Shift Alt, and then make it so that it's in the middle like this. Add in your text. I'm just going to type in tunnel. I'm going to then right click, create outlines, and then I'm just going to make it a little bit bigger like this. Oops. Then I'm going to copy and paste that and put it down here, and then I'm going to select both and I'm going to align it here. Select both again, object, path. Wait, no, blend, make, and then if that's too much, just go to blend options, and then go to specified steps and do like 7 or how many ever. Select the object and then expand it. Press OK. Add in gradient, and then select the gradient option again, and you're just going to make it like this. Then you're going to select that and you're going to place it in the middle, and we're going to kind of size it where the square is. Like that. I know it looks weird right now, but we're going to fix that. We're going to use this, and we're going to use this one, and we're going to kind of make it so that the darkest one is here, I guess. That's what I'm trying to say. Then I'm just going to copy and paste that, and I'm just going to honestly rotate it like that, and then I'm going to select this, copy and paste both of them, and then I am going to rotate that. Once you're done, delete the squares, and that is pretty much it. Really, it's that simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. Why is it wonky? Wait. And I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.